Hey everyone, guys. If the Finder Sidebar is missing on your Mac, don't worry. Here are a few easy ways to bring it back. Let's go step by step. First, make sure Finder is open. Now go to the top menu bar, click View, and then select Show Sidebar. If the sidebar was hidden, this will instantly make it visible again. That's the first and most common fix. Here's the second one. Sometimes the sidebar is there, but its sections are collapsed. This can make it look like items are missing. In the sidebar, look for the small arrow icons next to sections like Favorites, Locations, or Tags. Click those arrows to expand the sections and reveal the hidden items. If you still don't see the sidebar properly, try restarting Finder. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen, then choose Force Quit. Select Finder from the list and click Relaunch. Finder will close and reopen automatically. After it reloads, check if the sidebar is back. And that's it. These steps usually fix a missing Finder sidebar. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Mac tips. Thanks for watching.